In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a phone screen mockup in Canva. This is perfect for showcasing app interfaces, website previews, or digital products in a clean, realistic way, and you can do it all with simple tools inside Canva. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design in the size that best suits where you'll share the mockup. If it's for social media, pick a square or vertical post. For slides or portfolios, a presentation size works well. Choosing the right canvas up front makes exporting easier later and helps you visualize how the mockup will appear in context. Next, add a phone mockup to your canvas. One quick route is through the Apps panel on the left. Search for Mockups, open the Mockups app, and browse the phone or smartphone options. These are designed to accept your screen image cleanly. If you prefer, you can also go to Elements and search terms like iPhone mockup, phone frame, or smartphone mockup. Look for a phone element with a clear screen area. Drag your chosen phone onto the canvas and position it where you want the focus to be. Now upload the screen you want to showcase. Head to Uploads and bring in your screenshot, UI design, or graphic. Drag it directly onto the phone mockup. If the phone is a proper mockup frame, your image should snap right into the screen area. If it doesn't, that's okay. Resize and nudge the image until it fits neatly within the display. Zoom in to check the edges and make sure important interface elements aren't cropped. With the screen placed, adjust the mockup to refine the look. You can resize the entire phone by dragging its corners, keeping proportions intact. If your mockup includes shadows or layered highlights, ensure your screen image sits inside or above the correct layer so everything appears realistic. This is a good time to style the background. Add a solid color, a subtle gradient, or a light texture that complements your design. You can include a brief caption or logo, and even a soft drop shadow beneath the phone to give depth. Keep the layout simple, so the screen remains the star. When you're happy with the result, go to Share and choose Download. Pick PNG for high quality or JPG for smaller file size. If you need a transparent background behind the phone, select PNG with transparency, provided your design supports it. Save your file, and your polished phone screen mockup is ready to share.